Hello guys, welcome to TechnoMails. In this video, we are going to see how to install Play Games in our PC. Let's begin with Google Play Store. While scrolling, we will find the invitation for Google Play Games Beta. Once we click the invitation, it will send an email to us. It's time to boot up our PC and open Gmail, where we can find an email from Google Play Games, where the minimum PC specification for running this software is provided. First one is the minimum required version of Windows is 10 and a SSD with 10 GB of space. And the GPU here mentioned is Intel UHD Graphics 630, which is equivalent to NVIDIA's GTX 1050. Which means the requirement for GPU is somewhat powerful. Other than that, we need 4-core CPU where the clock speed is not mentioned, and also some games need Intel CPUs to run. For memory requirement, we need 8 GB of RAM, and the Windows account should be an admin. More than that, we need to enable the hardware virtualization. To check whether the virtualization is enabled or disabled, go to the Task Manager, in which under the Performance tab, click CPU. Down below on the right side, we can see the virtualization is enabled or not. In most of the computers, the virtualization will be disabled. To enable or disable the virtualization, we had to change the settings in BIOS. The BIOS interface will be different from brand to brand. In our case, we are using ASUS motherboard. To enable virtualization, click the delete button rapidly while booting. This will open the BIOS menu where click Advanced, in which click CPU configuration, where we can find the SVM mode, which is CPU virtualization. We have to enable these settings. Then we can click Exist and save changes and reset. This is the procedure to enable virtualization in ASUS motherboard. Now get back to the email and click Get Started. It will redirect us to the download page where click Download Beta. Now we can install the software. We hope that you guys know the Shake to Minimize feature in Windows 11. If not, check the I button above. And the installation will download additional 700 MB. After the installation, we have to sign in our Google account and follow these steps. After these steps, the Google Play Games Beta will open like this. As the software is in beta version, it's for testing purpose and only limited amount of games are available. After downloading the game, we can check it in the library. In this software, we can't open 2 games at once. We mentioned this because while playing Asphalt 9, we found that we have to download additional data and we can't switch to next game by minimizing Asphalt 9. After the gaming session, to exit the game is different from Windows. We have to click Shift plus Tab, which will open the Exit menu where we have to click Exit Game. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. And the following video is gameplay of some games from this software.
Wow! Wow!